Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a trip back to the golden era of American trucks, the 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4. This was the final year of Chevy's legendary, square body, pickup, and it remains one of the most iconic and collectible trucks in history. Exterior. Let's dive into what made the 1987 Silverado such a special ride, from its rugged looks to its classic powertrain and timeless interior charm. The 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 carried that unmistakable, square body, design that truck enthusiasts still love today. It features bold, boxy lines, a wide stance, and that chrome-heavy front grille that screams 1980s Americana. The front end had dual rectangular headlights with chrome bezels, a full chrome bumper, and the Chevrolet badge proudly displayed in the center. The truck's tall, squared-off hood and flared fenders gave it a powerful and muscular look. From the side, you'll notice straight body lines, chrome side mirrors, and those vintage rally wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, a reminder that this was built to handle both work and play. At the back, the tailgate featured the classic, Chevrolet, block lettering stamped right into the metal, a true signature of the era. Many owners opted for two-tone paint jobs, giving the Silverado that vintage style that turns heads even today. Interior. Step inside, and you're instantly taken back to the 1980s. The cabin of the Silverado was simple, functional, and comfortable for its time. The dashboard was made from durable materials with large, easy-to-read analog gauges and basic controls. You got options like air conditioning, a cassette stereo system, and cloth or vinyl bench seats that could easily fit 3 passengers. The steering wheel had the signature Chevrolet bowtie in the center, and visibility from the cab was excellent thanks to those large square windows. Everything inside was built with utility in mind, rugged, no nonsense, and easy to clean after a long day on the job or a muddy off-road adventure. Performance. Under the hood, the 1987 Silverado 4x4 came with several engine options, but the most popular was the 5.7-liter V8 producing around 210 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. This model year was also significant because it was the first time Chevy introduced fuel injection to its trucks, improving both reliability and throttle response. Paired with a 4-speed automatic or manual transmission and a shift-on-the-fly 4x4 system, the Silverado could handle just about anything, from hauling trailers to tackling rugged trails. The suspension was tough and dependable, with leaf springs in the rear and independent front suspension that balanced comfort with off-road capability. When it came to towing, this truck was a beast, capable of pulling over 6,000 pounds with ease. The 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4 marked the end of an era, the last of the classic square-body trucks before Chevy moved to a more rounded design in 1988. It combined rugged looks, dependable performance, and a sense of pure Americana that modern trucks just can't replicate. Even today, this Silverado is a favorite among collectors, restorers, and truck lovers who appreciate simple mechanics, timeless design, and unmatched character. So whether you're seeing one at a classic car show or out on a backcountry road, the 1987 Silverado 4x4 will always stand as a true symbol of strength, style, and American craftsmanship. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this look back at the 1987 Chevrolet Silverado 4x4, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite vintage Chevy truck? Until next time, keep those engines roaring and the classics rolling.